Looking for the best foldable Bluetooth keyboard but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best foldable Bluetooth keyboard based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The ProtoArc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is a true full-size portable keyboard that delivers a desktop-grade typing experience. Its trifold design and 105 keys make it perfect for developers, writers, and professionals who need a precise and reliable keyboard. With its seamless 3-device switching and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, it's perfect for multitaskers who move between their laptop, tablet, and phone. This keyboard is ideal for anyone who needs a reliable and portable keyboard for their work or travel needs. Number 4. The Arteck HB193 Bluetooth keyboard is a versatile and reliable option for anyone who needs a universal keyboard that can connect to multiple devices. Its stainless steel material gives a heavy-duty feel, and its ergonomic design makes typing comfortable. You can switch between 3 devices with a single key click, making it perfect for multitaskers who move between their laptop, tablet, and phone. This keyboard is great for anyone who needs a keyboard that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Number 3. The iClever Foldable Keyboard with Touchpad is a must-have for anyone who needs a portable workstation on the go. Its precision touchpad makes navigation and scrolling effortless, and its durable aluminum design withstands bumps and drops during travel. Weighing just 7.05 ounces, it's ultralight and perfect for business, travel, or remote work. This keyboard is ideal for professionals who need a compact mobile workstation for their tablet, laptop, or smartphone. Number 2. The ProtoArc Foldable Compact Keyboard is a palm-sized powerhouse that's perfect for business travelers, students, and digital nomads. Its compact design and PU leather cover make it easy to slip into any pocket or bag, and its 3-device workflow allows you to switch between your phone, tablet, and laptop with ease. This keyboard is great for writing emails, messages, and short notes, and its compact layout saves desk space. Number 1. This ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard with Touchpad is a game-changer for comfortable typing on the go. Its multi-touch trackpad makes navigation and scrolling a breeze, perfect for watching, working, or carrying without a mouse needed. With its trifold design and full-size keys, it's a great choice for anyone who wants a portable yet performance-driven keyboard. It's ideal for business travelers, students, or anyone who needs a reliable keyboard for their laptop, PC, or tablet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.